Hi everyone, welcome to our SQL tutorial series. So we name it Date with SQL. So I'll be getting it through the fascinating world of SQL in this series. We'll start from the basics and work our way up to more advanced concepts and making you proficient or master in SQL. So let's dive in. Uh, yeah, what is SQL? Yeah. So first and foremost, let's talk about what is SQL is. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So by the way, so in the coming or later series or later of these modules, we're gonna focus more on the practical side. However, sometimes we should know the theory behind the practical stuff, isn't it? So that make you your understanding of the SQL more crystal clear. That's why I will give a little bit of theory that side. Okay, so let's start with about the query language. So it's a specialized programming language, so that designed for managing and manipulating relational databases. So don't be scared about the terms or technical terms we are using now, but in the later you will be understanding about these terms. Okay, no worries about that. So okay, so uh, think of a SQL as a powerful tool that allows you to retrieve, update, insert, and delete data stored in a database. For example, imagine you have a huge library of books. So SQL is like the librarian, so that helps you find, organize, and manage those books efficiently. You got it. So by using SQL, you can quickly locate a specific book, update its information, or even remove it from the library. So this uh, makes SQL uh, an uh, invaluable skills for managing large amount of data. Okay, sorry for letting it to bring it up. So let's move into the next slide. Okay, so using SQL. So using SQL, we can manage data stored in the RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System. That's the acronym for that. And think of an RDBMS as a giant digital filing cabinet that stores your data in a structural way. So with SQL, you have a ability to perform a variety of tasks to keep your data organized and accessible. For instance, you can create a new databases and tables to store your data. So once you have your tables set up, you can insert new record into them, isn't it? So if you need to make changes, so you can update existing records. So if certain records are no longer needed, you can delete them. Finally, when you need to access your data, you can retrieve or read records. So it's like having a superpower to control your data, making SQL a critical tool for database management. So nothing but just managing your data, or just as we take an example of library, so we are managing all the books in the library. That's it. Okay. So, by the way, you might hear SQL, sometimes pronounced as SQL. So, the funny thing is, both are right. So, both pronunciations are correct and commonly used in the industry. So, don't be confused if you hear it pronounced differently. Just remember that whether you say SQL or SQL, you are referring to the same powerful language used for managing relational databases. Okay, so the series overview of this series. So in this series, we'll cover everything from the basics to advanced SQL topics, as I mentioned in the beginning. So whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on your skills, there is something here for you. Okay, so we'll take a step-by-step approach, so ensuring that you grasp each concept through thoroughly before moving on the next. Okay, so by the end of this series, you'll be able to create and manage databases, so write complex queries and optimize your SQL code for better performance. Okay, so our goal is to make you confident in your SQL skills so you can handle any database related task with ease. Okay, okay. So if you find this video helpful or the coming videos are helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you support uh, that helps that make me more valuable content for this one, and make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest video. This way you won't miss any of our upcoming lessons, and you will be the first to know when new content is available. Okay, and thank you for watching, and I'm excited to embark on this SQL learning journey with you. In the next video, we'll discuss the basics of databases and get hands-on with some SQL commands. So you'll learn how to set up your first database and tables, and we'll start exploring some fundamental SQL operations. So see you there.